Why do some criminals keep ending up back in prison before they finally learn their lesson?
The reason we're in contact, you're double parked here. Is this your car?
Oh, no.
You have some on you?
No.
Okay. You have some on you?
No, sir.
I can shoot you. Stop! Stop right now! I'm gonna shoot you. Do you understand me? You're gonna get shot! Hey, back! 12-20's running! Shots fired! You're double parked.
Charge territory. We'll be on a 902 Delray Court with one.
You have some on you? You have some on you? I can shoot you. Stop right now! I'm gonna shoot you. Do you understand me? You're gonna get shot! Hey, mag! 12-20's running! George 33, shots fired! I think we need to. I don't know where the gun's at.
It's right there next to his arm.
Yeah, I got it.